Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to download and install Zoom app on Windows 11. So let's start. First of all, go to the search option and search for Microsoft Store. Here you can see the option Microsoft Store. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, it will open Microsoft Store. Now in the search app, search for Zoom. And once you search for the Zoom, here you can see the Zoom app. Over here you can see the option install. So click on the install option. So once you click on the install option, it will download the setup and it will automatically install Zoom app on your Windows 11. And here you can see the Zoom app is successfully installed on your Windows 11. Now minimize this. Now go to the search option and search for Zoom. And here you can see the Zoom app. So select the option. Here you can see the application is installed on your Windows computer. Here you can see the option sign in. So click on sign in. So enter your email ID and password which you have created while creating an account with Zoom. If you are not created account with Zoom, please refer my video how to create account on Zoom. So enter your email ID. Then enter your password, then click on sign in. Now maximize it over here. So in this way you can download and install Zoom on Windows 11. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.